glad y'all had a good time. But I'm pretty sure wherever you went, you passed by a cemetery. That's literally what we got around here. And if you didn't decide at that point to be like, God, dog, we got this character we could totally put in the ride to help us situate it. I mean,
wait a second. You don't know that it wasn't them and then some guy in the boardroom saying, no, we want 2-year-olds to ride this and feel non-threatened.
Fair enough. I don't know. But if they still send someone down here to investigate, then does that mean that their point isn't as strong as the person who was sitting in the Ivory Tower?
Yes, it happens a lot, actually.
I like saying Ivory Tower. I just wanted to say that.
That's because you are Ivory.
That's it.
You're Ivory.
Yeah.
That happens all the time.
That's terrible, then. Again, it's still the
people who are on the ground like, boss, you need this. No, doesn't make sense. No, that's not what we're going to do. That's not
Can't afford it.
Get one. That happens all the frickin' time. So we don't know if they went back and reported back to their bosses. They should do, and what they ultimately did do, because as Rachel pointed out before, there have been several changes in the iteration of this ride that we were told that we were getting.
But that, to his point, it's like that's what I'm saying. It's like I'd love to see what ended up on the cutting room floor.
I would too.
From the Imagineers as opposed to what actually happened.
Somebody put that on Reddit so we could find it.
I don't think we're ever going to get that.